Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a wonderfully moisturizing skin cream with a special ingredient called Blue Butterfly Pea Flower Powder. Butterfly pea flower powder is used as a natural colorant. The flower is said to help promote thicker hair over time. The color changes depending on the pH. Andiroba is a quickly absorbing, light but effective oil. It's said to be anti-inflammatory by nature and is thought to help with certain skin conditions. Mallow Extract is renowned for its mucilage properties. It's said to help soothe irritation and improves spreadability without stringiness. I personally would not substitute anything else for water in this recipe. You can, however, try aloe vera juice, but you will have a much more purple color at the end unless you add a blue colorant. Heat the water and preservative for about 5 minutes or until the powder is completely dissolved. I forgot this version of Mallow Extract is oil soluble. Everything turned out fine, but add this to the oil phase when you make it. Total amount of Mallow Extract ended up being 3 grams. '72-hour moisture is optional but recommended if you already have it in stock. It's a wonderful addition to any skincare recipe. Nature's Silk is one of my favorite ingredients because it helps improve spreadability of the product and helps give it a nice gloss. Get an empty 2-ounce amber jar with a dropper. Fill it with a desired amount of glycerin. What you're looking for is a nice amount of glycerin to add that will fill the jar but not overflow. I ended up using about 38 grams. Transfer the glycerin to a heat-safe container. Here you're going to heat it. Here I'm using a simple GSI stainless steel cup. Heating glycerin causes it to temporarily lose viscosity. Add about 1.6 grams of powdered blue butterfly pea flower powder into the heated glycerin. Here, I used a milk frother to incorporate the powder into the glycerin. The powder is not gritty and it does not leave big chunks of undissolved powder if you mix correctly. Now this here is a non-standardized blue pea flower glycerin-based extract. You decide how much of the powder you want to use. I cannot guarantee the final concentration of blue pea flower in your final product, however. This is most likely the extract I'm referring to when I call for blue pea flower extract in future recipes. Now for personal use, make sure to sanitize and reuse any of those great bottles and jars you have left over from before. The cream itself is not heavy or difficult to apply. It doesn't leave a heavy, harsh film on the skin either. The cream is glossy, not starchy, and actually moisturizes the skin because of those great ingredients we used. Now enjoy this cute blue moisturizer, and thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.